is to show you how to use the LAUSD School Experience Survey 1-year analysis dashboard. At the top, you'll see there's a purple bar, and you can click on the drop down and select your school. Next to your school, you have parentheses for the school level, so elementary, middle, or high. The reason is some schools may be a span school and contain multiple survey levels. And this is the reason why we have the survey level next to it. Over here, you have the legend for the questions. E is elementary, M is middle, H is high. Of course, here P is for parents, S is for staff, and ST is for students. The reason why this is here is because each question is prefaced with these two letters, or letters indicating whether it's a middle school survey, elementary, or parent, and also whether it's staff, student, or parent. In this case, it's a middle school question. It's also a staff question. We come down here. This is a middle school question. It's also a student question. Here you have the percentage of the top two responses. So for example, for this question, worked in grade level or department level teams to review and align grading policies. 40% of teachers or staff agreed or strongly agreed. And here the average is 54%. On the bottom, we have the sample size. So school N is the number of respondents within that group. So there, you may have had more than 130 responses altogether, but in terms of the number of staff that responded to that survey, it's 103. On the bottom, average N is the number of schools that were considered in that average. So for this average, 11 schools were considered. To be considered, they have to be within the same local district and the same school type. You can click on the drop down and we can choose a different school. In this case, if the average matches the school, that means the sample size is only 1. That means that there was only 1 school within a local district that was the same school type. And for that reason, the average matches the school response.